Okay. This is CDQ from Drop a Dime Production. Today what we're going to do is adjust my clock. We had a fallback, which is to set the clock back 1 hour, and I need to set my clock back 1 hour. This is a 2008 BMWX3, and I'm going to show you how to just adjust your clock if you need to set your clock back 1 hour because of fallback time here in the USA in the state of New Jersey. Okay, so you can see I'm in my BMW 2008. Okay, and right here I'm going to show you there are two buttons, 1 and 2, and I'm going to try and bring that up a little closer for you. The one says SR and the other one has like a picture of a clock, I guess. And over here we're going to show you exactly what to do. So I'm going to turn the key in ignition, just one click, and then I'm going to hold down that clock button there, and there we go. We can see the 12. So I'm going to go over to the next button here, and I'm going to turn that, we're going to increase that rather. I believe this is in military time. Let's see. Okay, that's the AM. I want the PM, so let's go back to the PM. And I'm just clicking the button, as you can hear, and I'm gonna go to PM, and we're gonna set this to 1, and then we're gonna hit it again. That'll go right over to the second time, and that seems to be okay. So I'm gonna hit it again, and 1:53, and there we go. So the time has been set, and if you need to do that to set your clock back 1 hour, depending on where your location is. Again, this is the 2008 BMW X3, and this was a show of how to reset your clock. Again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Don't forget to also like, share, and comment. This is CDQ Drop a Dime Production. Be safe and be blessed. God bless each and every one of you.